This is the second worked example for selection statements in Java. The sub-goal labels are to 1. Diagram which statements go together, 2. Determine whether the Boolean expression for the if statement is true or false, and 3. If it's true, follow the true branch. Otherwise, if it's false, follow the else branch or do nothing. For this worked example, we will be looking at if-else statements. We have the declarations of some variables and then the instructions to evaluate the statements and determine the value of all the variables used. The Java statements are: if alpha is greater than delta, then eta is assigned the value alpha plus 2, else gamma is assigned the value alpha plus 5. For sub-goal 1, we want to diagram which statements go together. Again, in Java, if there are no open and closed curly braces, then by default, all the if and else branches have only a single statement. So when diagramming this, we have two blocks, the if block and the else block. For sub-goal 2, we now want to determine whether the Boolean expression is true or false. We look at, is alpha greater than delta? Alpha has a value of 2 and delta has a value of 3. 2 is not greater than 3, so the Boolean expression evaluates to false. For sub-goal 3, if the Boolean expression is false, you follow the true branch, and it's not. And if it's false, then we follow the false branch or do nothing. In this case, there is a false branch, the else. So we're going to follow that branch and say gamma is assigned the value alpha plus 5. Alpha has a value of 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore, the answer for this worked example is that gamma has a value of 7 after the code is finished executing. That is the end of this worked example.